forward a little bit. Let's try that again. It's not as easy as you might think, especially when the truck gives us so much trouble today. Okay. Let's see. I'm trying to trace the truck, but it's hard on camera here. Let's see. Okay, now it's got it. Okay, let's try this again. Ready, and now the truck won't move. Yay! So it's got a nice trace on the truck. It's got a nice trace on the truck. The truck refuses to start. You see what I'm talking about? With technology, you think you should have this down, right? You should have this down. The battery is fully charged. Everything is right. I think it's the battery leads that are causing the issue here. You unplug the battery, you replug it, and everything's fine. And we lost the battery leads again. Come on, man. Okay, well, Red Cat Racing loses this battle. I think I'm going to bring the high financement next time. I don't think the high financement is going to have the issues that this Red Cat Racing is having today. And it goes forward and back, and it's stuck again. So I don't know. It's a brand new battery. Yesterday we had a different battery in there. I thought it was definitely going to be a battery problem, but I just changed it out. The other battery's perfectly fine. Right? More power to the people and stuff. But we are not having a good time. Oh well, at least there's still about, 72% battery? This is showing you how well this thing hovers. Some of the later drones that they made do not hover this well for this long. So, hey, Hubsan Zino is a fantastic drone, as you guys are noticing. It'll just hover in place for a long, long time. So if that's what you're looking for, the Hubsan Zino Mini is great for that. If you want yourself a Red Cat Racing, you might have to meddle with the battery leads. So anyway, we're gonna just put the thing to the side, and I'll just have the drone track me instead, like we did yesterday. And tomorrow, if I come over here again, what I'll do is I'll bring the high financement, the other vehicle that I've got. Because don't be fooled by the rocks that I've got. I'm still Jenny from the block. Jeez. If only, right? This thing would do what it's supposed to, but it just won't. So, okay, well, it's fine. It still's got me, still has me under control here. So we'll put a track on myself there. Tracked me. And then let's see, push it back a little bit. It's still got me under control. Good. Excellent. So unless I do something really crazy, it should still hold my position. We could bring it down a little bit, just a little bit. Not a problem. It's still holding the position. Let's see. About there, that's pretty good. It'll hold the position. It won't get the tree because I'm right here. There we go. Okay. That's fine. Still got me. Whoa. Got rocks. something went wrong. It just had a weird screen thing on here on this thing. It just popped up with a weird thing. So then it stopped tracking me. I'm not sure. It says it has me on the tracking, but then it doesn't follow. Oh, because I didn't press go. Maybe. Wow, it still has me under control. That's crazy. Man, that's crazy. It had me the whole time. Okay, let's put it down. Whoa, man. Okay, up it goes. Still plenty of battery, but we'll put it down.
Landing.
No. Not on the sand.
Landing.
There, that's good. Perfect, actually. Wow. This thing is like for ninjas. You try to run away from this thing. Unless you get it to go into a tree, it'll follow you. It's amazing. Whoa. I might try that again tomorrow. But next time we'll have the high financement vehicle with us instead of Red Cat Racing. Unless I can fix the Red Cat Racing. Man, it's giving me some serious trouble with that. Ooh. Let's see here. Gimbals up and down. It's all the way up. Okay. Oh, buddy. Let's see. Ant managed to get on the controller here. Where's the camera thing here? Here we go. Camera, wrong way. Oh, man. I could use a nap. So, You guys got to see how amazing this little drone is. Unless you make it smash into a tree, it'll follow you. I mean, you could run. Now, I could run a whole lot faster if I didn't have weights on, but all considered, it did a great job of following me, even just jumping over rocks and stuff. So this thing is amazing. Now, does it have obstacle avoidance? No. But not everybody can afford the DJI Mini 3, can they? Especially with that transitory inflation that everybody's talking about. Transitory, completely transitory. Yeah. It's been transitory for a while. So anyway, in fact, I'll do a video in a minute where I'll talk about what the HOA is doing because of the transitory inflation. So anyway, peace out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's see.